Kasoro paidbah kabri uhinyo trap kala kentu yaki MLA berang susah jet shen. Lingba ka election bakim day banyak trailang wat ka National People's Party lani ringkat bat ka Bharatiya Janata Party. Habakran sikilat patai kubur, kino elam ka kenhon kila ong. Baki dang suwan na yeng upat lakmen remboy, u MLA ka UDP, hakaba kilai kendo yaki MLA lai pongot EA, na ka UDP, VPP, Congress, AITC, PDF, HSPDP bat ki MLA Klamseng, ki badang e perkat kumno banyalit kam, ban thaw Sorkar.
Berhamtai kat kum ka jingi ki jongi ki don lai pongot ki MLA. Ki bam tre banya snow bat ka NPP. Kini ki kentup naduk ke UDP, ke HSPDP, PDF, Congress, TMC. Badru ki ongba u independent bajok narabrai udan lah. Bad ke BJP ro. Te lang kini barok kila long laipo. Banga sutanat banga ikendu ba ardan mana mesta. Ula penpau bala ai ki khatsan point. Khasan point kiba ka VPP ka Voice of the People kabari simple pra kilabu ya katakan nongrem kam tam ban pendu noi ka bamsam ban pendu nai ka jing leput ka Sorkar ban khang no sendon ya ka jing kit do yom tu ban manra ya ka sensar ka ba yo ban pentri kam lut ya kicing ada, ya kacat menriu, kajongi bagi state, kajongi lembaga constitution juga di India. Bater kibun ke iu bangga asno ya hamba. Nomor katus ni iba sibor, ila keren nakalian kasur paidbah ni ongba ni don kam ya ka clean government, ni don kam ya ka corruption free government, ni don kam ban yok kam ya jam samla, ni don kam ban yale persya ka drugs. Ngidon kam ban pek ba kham tam ki longye kin kiu shikman kan don ke jinga da ki long kme ba ki kon katai ki kon chendran kam tam ki kelo te halor kan ni soto ba anda ni yo ban yakran mentan ni soto ba kinero ki bai don lam hang tai ki don ka jing thu ban tai ka Meghalaya ka badan jingkaman tagadau ni nak kalian kejungi ni ongba there should be an NPP free government. An NPP free government of the state. Nomor boleh ngila de mat ya sanstem. Ngilai ki ki jingle bor, ngilai ki ki jingle pala, ngilai ya jing bamsak ko la serkai pala. Bat manta ni keren da kasur paidbah ni keren ba ni kershan ni kini kilai pungut. Kala ban poi sekala huiro. Bakin thaw yang Sorkar. Kita kan balik claim, stick ya ke claim. Mana yang suatu bah ke NPP kali lang rengkat pada ke BJP. Kabau Amit Shah ulah depong menikani hatura. Uang bah ke Meghalaya kali number 1 in corruption. Mentah pada armut kini ki MLA BJP pada kira apa hilang pada ke NPP. Te kata kali kam kejongki, Henry paidbah udah bang suatu. Ba imat ka jingalap election ka sudai tangka kamka bat kamdon ka jingmut AM ka sudai batang ba kwa banjok election bat anda poi ka thaw Sorkar pada mendon principal mendon kata ka jing perkhat ya ka jing pha jing miak jong ka state ka jungi bat ki suya poi tang as a matter of political convenience. I would like to address the people of the state after a very hard battle. We have seen that the people have come up with a hung verdict, where the NPP with 26, the BJP with 2, the UDP with 11, the Trinamool Congress with 5, the Congress Party with 5, the Voice of the People with 4, the PDF with 2, the HSPDP with 2, and 2 independents. This is the mandate. But the mandate of the people, in fact, if we really speak, without the drama of electioneering, without the slogans, without the heightened support for candidates, the issue before the people of Meghalaya is the issue of corruption. It is the issue of development. It is the issue of the rights of children and women. It is the issue of giving a better life for our people. This can only be done if a government comes which has no allegations of corruption. Therefore, we are totally in support. We have been to the house of Mr. Lakman Ramboy. 30 of the MLAs who are the non-BJP, non-NPP, they are there. We support them wholly in their effort to form a new government which is based on clean products, which is based on clean administration. I spoke with Mr. Aden Basiamoy in the morning. I met him personally. He has outlined that his party's plan of action, we cannot say that they are conditions, but it is a plan of action to bring in a corruption-free government, to bring in a government that is equitable for all people, to stop unnecessary expenditure of the government and to raise the revenue base of the state, which we are totally in agreement. In fact, 2 days before one day before the results, Mr. Saibor had in fact outlined from the Sorkar that we require a clean government. We require a government that works for the people, that delivers for the people. We require a government that will look to the future of Meghalaya. We require a government that will solve especially heinous problems like drug problem, etc., which is eating into the youths of our society. Don't come back, kinya shongla, kinya point by point. Haka snem kumnakong, snem baar, snem balai, snem pasal, snem basan. What is achievable? Kaningi don't come back. Mday ka common minimum program. There should be accountability. Kadiban don ka report ka manusnem. Ka ay palale, ka ay bandang le. Kani ka don't come back. Pi ka long kunay. Ngihapan ay la chwai. Lada kimla, ngihapan ra ay kanik isu siya pa yan. Nomor balay, hapadeng gaji alap election, hapadeng gaji kenok kenta, porok ngiyaklet ekaway. Ka don ka agenda manta kabawan napo India, na mainland India kabawan, hapo gaji alam jumpa BJP berka RSS, kabatbuban pendu ya constitution dari India, kata ka pangidon kamban takal gaji siya. This is one of the main, without question, the coalition partners in the new dispensation, new political dispensation, ki hapan perlong di kanika number one. Na sutrat baka voice of the people, ki ongba, we need better protection under the constitution. We need better implementation of the constitutional machinery to protect our people, to protect our right to religion, to right to belief, to protect our rights as minorities. Kani appreciate the voice of the people. There's a way nga sutrat ba yung tuipi ba hakapor ngay kendo yo ba arden ngay kendo ngay kran ba kijomba Charles ngay kran ba lajan paro ay kini kiyu sutrat ba ka attitude ka jongki kalong ka attitude constructive attitude kamdei ba ki kwa nga ngo ni tay Dr. Mukul sama ngala ekran do menen ukran na siya ongi we have to rebuild Meghalaya tangta nga sutu ba Dr. Mukul sama is also willing to make the sacrifice. He's willing to work together. Ngay kran ba ki dokot what ki batmai ki bajapro katay ki jimot ki jaki we have to rebuild Meghalaya. Te gani nakarpa i paidbah ban aila. We need a government without the NPP. That has to be clear. We need a government without the NPP. Kajinjak kajaki alfundre ki ongi don ka mandate. There is no mandate. This is a fractured mandate. This is a hung house, hung assembly. Therefore, habakalong kumta ki parti mdon ka way bayo full majority. Ki don ka banyo like way banyo full majority. Mdon bayo. Hang ni ki bala ban deliver, ki bala ban ay sanchar. Halor kaching don kam paidbah. They ban ay la kita. You see, if the BJP likes to put black paint on their face, because you see, if that is their intention, then they have no sincerity of purpose. They were the ones who said that NPP government, MDA government led by NPP, by Conrad Sama, is the most corrupt number one in the country. Now they are going and running after them. They're topple a government that has all the intention to deliver. In fact, I think that the BJP should be glad they were trying to bring in a corruption-free government. This is one of their promises in their manifesto. So if they are going to come and topple this government just because of political convenience, without taking into consideration the principles on which we are now fighting for a clean government, then let them do it. Let the people bring them to task. Coming in as Surah Paidbah, the voice of the people, we're coming in to tell people that, look, we have to give a chance to these 30 or 31 who can form a government without the NPP. Ka party politics ka baki involved maki ka bala ka kandala pentreka mega ka party machinery ka jongki. Pi ka po he ka tu ba pi man ka ni tu general secretary jong ka William Nagar unit jong ka NPP. Salia syo ban pengkalai ka ketin Jisu ba ka tu ka hymn ka devotional hymn ka jong Kristen. Ba I have decided to follow NPP. Haja ba I have decided to follow Jesus. Lagi kalong kum tu tapi soto baka mental tiki beriu andala shit ke election kimpoi perkat so ki isu kimpoi perkat so kai su kwa bet penjak uni nama boleh sompang pelat unu kan ini. Begini kebala ban teh pisah, kebala ban pen semua, kebala ban ot sniam, kebala ot masih, kebala shit ban ai ka kiat ko teki jo kali kala pau saya kira. Dengan keren baik dengan ini, dengan keren baik. Nomor boleh mentoy ban ani paidbah bukum ta. Paidbah kum balong menta. Education system ke jangi balik ba. Kali jinduna ke jingnang jing start saja kali. Ke jing train ke education system saja kali. Anda ni kebala nang start pe po not Shillong. Not Shillong ha bakat duk suntuk don kam ban pai sa ke VPP ki pai not ke VPP nomor boleh suntuk don kam ke jing ada ke jek beriu. Don kam yu beriu bala ban baki on uni at least lakum no udang ya dai ke jek. Terkini ketika badan kamu dah, bekerja benda yang shock, kan dia tiap kadang yes, we'll give a chance in Island. Ya kini kita tuai. The time has come when this new government, ke Sorkar temai, kedorkan banyak dekat Article 263, bagi yo ya ke Interstate Council, kebanyak dekat lenti jong Constitution, dekat lenti jong kaan, ban settle your boundary. Kam tam haba ke pun pak prajar do kasawajar square kilometer ke Jakarta juni, kedon siapa asal. Nomor yang kali lah Saki. Number 1, da ka Schedule 1 haka describe Assam as the province of Assam, the tribal areas of Assam, but ki erstwhile Khasi states. Balik ka kentiin Khasi state ka nandun. Ya kali nga pensisya dan mga yo da bangi nakali ang kajak bom pada nila yo ya kamat kapakat praspa kenai punreo mo baras kaba la pensisya ya kani. Haka jo kapwa kakis ngila da file po High Court tambah judge baka MDA government kala allege Supreme Court ngila po Supreme Court bar ni up ya hearing mentang po Supreme Court dem dei tang kata ke court kebalaman sort of ni Henry constitutional provision kepada haka article 263 jam constitution dan kamar menteri kami ni halor ke illegal transportation of coal ngadon kani bano. The MDA government has done a series of illegal acts. The standard operating procedure in the transportation of coal made by the Department of Mining is totally illegal. Hakabaki they have said, but unu bring ubomdan udai bandan 6 hectare. He has to have 100 hectares in order to get a mining list. This is false. They have totally destroyed the operation of Chapter 5 of the Mineral Concession Rules 1960, which states that the word state government shall be substituted by the word lesser, means the landowner, the mine owner. They have totally destroyed this provision of law. This new government has to bring in this provision where thousands of landowners and mine owners will be able to get employment again. Daki haja kitrai kendo kitrai siap dalam pentrai kami ke Chapter 5 jangka Mineral Concession Rules kila ban yo ya kejintrai kejingkata joki dah nanti ke babai dah kau tang kata kaba ngikwahi bakaduk ngan ban ni ke iba ong kini perlok kelomba. We want a government of the people, by the people, for the people. Ke Sorkar nak benta jong ki paidbah ada ki paidbah nak benta jong ki paidbah bat ka ban tre nak bah kami jong ki babon ki bal
Kini kinoy alam kila ong magipat ba nong song snong hakiway pat ki constituency hakiway pat ki district ki dayban shim nuksa na ka East Khasi Hills district kabal Punjab tang arngot ki MLA ki badai jong ka NPP.
Kani ka jing long sa kausan ta ka dai ka way na ki revolution ka pen ki ya ka san perkhat san percaya ka bakam tuma baka ta kalong bangi bakani ka tik ikisamla jong kari kasi saya katuk ani ki banta kum hakiway pat ki jaga kila banlong dah kebuat besar yang kata kalau kaji sisa. Tadi kai kelaktik kalau sama bagal apa ke haranda. Kalau kami ajam kilanti juga an ke batai di adbasa jadi mata. Mata kada ngah siam bahang ni ngalak semutu bakal jing sedang juga jing sandu di kari wajak beriu kadai mata senang. Kadai mata. Bak mamut menang kalong ba kani justang sedang mata kalong i mata. Ba kanuksa kajing job keput jong ke PPP. Kum hamolai tabang nyimpai perkhat gani kala dong kurapi ya ka jimut je perkhat jom ki samla ki khon je kari klam darja ka teng seng balang ka le ka dong kura te kani kai i ka te gamut banwan be sakal susan ka baong ba ngala sedang ban ai ka jingero i ba apa ka is kasil karpang baka pisah kam terkam syu ka pisah kam terkam syu kanong kram ka pisah kam terkam syu kamelim kam terkam syu kamolai kam terkam syu kapisah kita kan sebab ai kublai kerpang se iki paidbah apa kais kasils bakila long adaban suta ka budget nabi kemat ingat nang ni ka sedang jeni bak ngimi sa kemat banam ailat da iki MLA ke jeni baki syat ye gari kembali terang kiti jog an ki sawandur tengah siam ta kada baka pisah kam trai kam su taki job sedang arnut ki NPP ka jing job ki arnut ka amparin de ka parti da ko burong ka amparin de ka jingla ajo kahi banyak dai bak paidbah banajan kajak nak kaya dengan parti ro buram kajak ibak perstun ro dekat jingla aja ni ban yale nak parti ni jo kamu bagat ke parti kata ke jisa tingi ngasuk aku blek kerpang paidbah jok is hasils ngabu hane kum kaji kerpa iki paidbah juga jadi hills sebab sim dekat nuksa jok ri jok is hasils ini lang bertai bang mut ban pasat hak kami belakang jingklik jumpi
ila dep nyo kabut ila yo ngila penjob dan buram kan di tungi kartong mo ila syad dan buram yu nei kam sukut tangta nei kaladan kaladi kepali jompi mo bapin ni shmat bapin perkhat ke ka sorkar ka banwan nanta haba menne mai kendu bai bi khna samla ibang shudip yo thabon khatras na yong ka sorkar ayu banwan nanta kilating ya kata sorkar NPP itemen beriru hayo habai kendu yong ba kanwan biasa kata sorkar NPP kalau pensuk kriat pensuk jer ik paidbah nong susang tang Meghalaya bangi ong ba kosor paidbah kawan chakma kami nang to paidbah bangi don kam ya kastu ya sorka kan non NPP government mut krem ka NPP ni don kam nomor ni lateng kita high level kita lateng ya high level kita lateng kata corruption yok bangi ong ba rian sistem kerja yu ke Meghalaya ban ndai belai ngimisi ka parti NPP ngamong bang nyobe ndai ke ke jingle chukka hakiti sistem bahada imar ka jinghi nadu bahadang sedang hadu barakut hadu mukro ka jinghi mukro hakun parkha she ka sungsuk chonsan she ka takal wei jong samla she ka wei pading sawan ngapen ban ni don ka jinghi kusur paidbah ni wan chakman bar kam sulong ta hakini singi asyang singi ko paidbah ko nong kristian yo kan diri jong pi dakan tu bat dapat ha nomor hakini asyang singi kin syathiat ki kulai ha shani shatai ban ngoi pi lada tu bat ni dei kumpi paidbah pi bap penjak tun bro pi empat lada open penjak bro pi pi dei penjak bro mi nomor kam dei ka senja kata ka dei ka yak ka im jong ka jai tan lada kimbyang kinong ilang kata kalau pulang lut ka sinong ka thaw lada nong ilang po sinong thaw ru umbiang kacing senja kata kacur kata haru kasnong kana kacing jok kumju ni kami clear jungi ni kentu paidbah long ba perkhe ai jing kerja ni ngim syukut tang hakane ba ni ong ba ngim syuk penlong tang ki media ngim penhe ki media ndai ni la perkhe plaka ni la perkhe ki demonstration nama bagi kwa kasencha khara ka bakun hapo ka chala jungi ngim kwa syu ye kituki bamsa ki bampong ka chala jungi ba ngim syukut tangan ni kasni bat ni kentui paidbah nong susno bakin wan sakmat ban ai jing kersiam pura yang ni nambar ni trei namta kecompi kecing mentoi jong paidbah bat kapateng masawan kane kare ka sorkar kaban long ka jingtem ne ka jingkerku kaban ya kini pateng masawan